This is the fifth question in marginal costing chapter. Okay, here you can see the following figures are extract from books of Vijay Iron Limited for the year 1989 and 1990, whose capacity is 10,000 irons per year. Here the firm capacity is 10,000 per year. Direct material, it has given 3.5 per unit, and direct labor 50 paisa per unit. Fixed overhead is nothing but your fixed cost is 2 rupees per unit. Selling price per unit is 8 rupees per unit. It has produced in 1989 10,000 unit, and out of 10,000 unit it sold 8,000 units. In 1990 production it has done 10,000, but it sold 12,000. How it possible? Here it sold 8,000 out of 10,000. These 2,000 unit was forwarded to 1990. That's why it sold 12,000 units. Here it is asking us to prepare cost sheet assuming that the company uses marginal cost. ठीक है, यहाँ पे ये पूछ रहा है आपको मार्जिनल कॉस्टिंग स्टेटमेंट बनाने के लिए बता रहा है यूजिंग प्रिपेयर कॉस्ट शीट यूजिंग मार्जिनल कॉस्टिंग बता रहा है. ठीक है, यहाँ पे आपको 2 साल का डाटा दिया है. ठीक है, अभी हम इसको सॉल्व करें. दिस इज द कॉस्ट शीट in under marginal costing. Here we produce in both the year 10,000 units. Okay, year particular year we have mentioned 1989 and 1990. It has mentioned in the question. Direct material here in 1989 the production was 10,000 unit and cost per unit is 3.5. If you multiply you will get 35,000. In 1990 also the production was 10,000 unit and per unit is 3.5. You got 35,000 in 1999 as well. Same way you have to do the direct labor as well. Direct labor here we produce 10,000 unit per unit is 50 paisa. If you multiply 10,000 with 50 paisa you will get 5,000 in 1989 as well as 5,000 in 1990. Here you can see the calculation. Okay, if you add this 35,000 plus 5,000 you will get variable cost of production. Here 35 plus 5, 40,000 in both the year. Okay, and in the question you can see in 1989 it produced 10,000 unit but it sold only 8,000 unit. 2,000 units was left. Total production is 10,000 but sold unit is 8,000. So the closing units is 2,000. Okay, 2,000 we multiplied with 4. Okay, 4 is your variable cost. Here I will show you 3.5 plus 0.5 will be 4. Okay, if you multiply 2,000 into 4 you will get 8,000 as a closing stock in 1989. That closing stock next year what it will become? It will become as opening stock. In 1989 we have to subtract. In 1990 we have to add 40 plus 8 it will be 48. In 1989 we have to subtract means 40,000 minus 8 we will get 32,000 as a cost of goods sold. Okay, and the next in 1989 the production we have done 10,000 unit but we sold 8,000 unit and selling price per unit is 8. 8,000 into 8 you will get 64,000. In 1990 also the production was 10,000 but we sold 12,000. How we sold? Because 2-year closing was these 2 years 2,000 units was carry forward to next year. That's why it become 12,000. 10,000 it has produced and 2,000 got added from last year. So it become 12,000 into 8 is your selling price per unit. 12,000 into 8 you will get 96,000 as a sale. In 1989 64,000. 1990 you got 96,000 as the sale. And variable cost, how you will find? In 1989 you sold 8,000 into variable cost per unit is 3.5 plus 0.5 will be 4. 8,000 into 4 you will get 32,000. This 12,000 into 4, how we got 12? We sold 12,000 units in 1990. Okay, 12,000 units into 4 rupee per unit, you will get 48,000. Okay, if you subtract from 64,000 minus, okay, 32,000, you will get 32,000. Here 96,000 minus 48,000, you will get 48,000 in 1990. Okay, with the value whatever 32,000 and 48,000 is your contribution. If you subtract sales minus variable, what you will get? You will get the contribution. And fixed cost here we mentioned 10,000 units because the production is on 10,000 units. So whatever the production, it will be charged on the basis of fixed. Okay, 10,000 unit into 2, you will get 20,000 in both the year. If you subtract 32,000 minus 20,000, you will get 12,000 in 1989. And in 1990, you can see 48,000 minus 20,000, you will get profit of 28,000 in 1990. Okay, fixed cost unit is nothing but the production what you have done in the year. Both the year you have make a production of 10,000. That's why we took 10,000 in fixed cost, and per unit it is 2 per unit. So you got the profit. This is the cost sheet